Power on the device and connect it to the touchscreen system. Connect the equipment to the gas supply. Turn on the power and press the button. Remove the control panel. Remove the gun head and store it properly. Carry the equipment on your back. Remove the lens cap. Click on the control panel to enter the laser control interface. Enter the cleaning mode interface. Enter the password 1. Click on File to see 8 processes available, and select the parameters according to the material. The two files on the right are custom tool libraries. Enter the custom process library interface. Select the first pattern, change the length to 100, and leave the other parameters unchanged. Click on oscillation or laser cleaning. Cleaning demonstration. Select your desired cleaning pattern and view the cleaning effect. After cleaning, properly remove and store the backpack equipment, and turn it off using the power button. You can check the battery level by pressing the power button on the back of the machine above the battery.